Well, howdy, creatures of the night. This here's Radio Graveyard 66.6 FM. Grab your boots, grab your ghouls. It's time to dance with the boogeyman. Yeehaw! Boot-scootin' boogeyman coming through the door. Y'all better stomp them boots on the haunted floor. Kick to the left, slide to the right. It's a Halloween hoedown. We dance all night. Boot-scootin' boogeyman, ain't no need to run. Grab a jar of moonshine, join the spooky fun. The moon's full up over the county line. Pumpkins on the porch and they're looking fine. The band starts picking and the fiddles scream. Something tall and shadowy walks in from your dreams. He tips his hat, says, "Don't be scared." Then he starts to boogie like nobody cared. Boot-scootin' boogeyman coming through the door. Y'all better stomp them boots on the haunted floor. Kick to the left, slide to the right. It's a Halloween hoedown. We dance all night. Boot-scootin' boogeyman, ain't no need to run. Grab a jar of moonshine, join the spooky fun. Grandma's ghost is doing the two-step spin. The scarecrow's clapping with a crooked grin. Ain't no monster mean enough to stop this train when the whole dang graveyard's dancing in the rain. So heel and toe, do-si-do, this is the only haunted dance floor show. Boot-scootin' boogeyman coming through the door. Y'all better stomp them boots on the haunted floor. Kick to the left, slide to the right. It's a Halloween hoedown. We dance all night. Boot-scootin' boogeyman, ain't no need to run. Grab a jar of moonshine, join the spooky fun. Boot-scootin' boogeyman, dance until the dawn. Come October 31st, y'all know it's on. Now that's how we haunt in the South, baby.